Hey everyone. So I already put my white down on a 10 by 20 because we're going to do a flip and drag. I do use a different white now. I was using the acrylic flow from Artist Loft, but I'm now using from Jerry's Artorama. It's Creative Inspirations acrylic color, titanium white. And I mix that with Floetrol and water, and I do use a runnier consistency for negative space than I do for pouring white in the cup. So this is a lot runnier. I probably could show you. It's very runny. You don't get that steady stream like you do with the paint that you mix to do your cups with. Does that make sense? So I'm going to do, I think we're going to do something purple and turquoise. It's awful when I can't decide. I start the camera and it's like, so what are you doing? All right, so I have this beautiful Prussian blue that I mixed with the iridescent medium from Artist Loft. It's absolutely gorgeous shimmer. So I'm going to use that today, but not on this painting, but I just wanted to show you how it changes the color too, and it's very shiny. So I'm going to set that one aside, and I'm going to go ahead and pull out some purple. This one is Creative Inspirations dioxazine purple, dioxazine violet, I believe. Yep. And I'm going to use, let's see, I want more turquoise. I have too many paints out here. Okay, Artist Loft turquoise. And I need one more color, don't I? How about if we try the aqua with it? You wouldn't think these would go together, but let's see. Let's try it. I'm game. I haven't painted in almost a week, so I was playing around with my friend Sharon came over last night, and I was showing her how to pour paint. So of course I did one pour for her, but it was nothing spectacular. So I misted my cup with the WD-40 silicone spray, and I'm going to rub it in because I don't need cells from that. I have treadmill silicone in my paint. All right. So let's start with the aqua. And then we'll add the turquoise. Must be garbage truck. I think you guys get to hear my garbage truck every Tuesday. I almost want to put another color in there now that I see those three together. No, I'm going to leave it because I was sitting here staring at lime green and I know that'll make mud, so I'm just going to give it a little swirl. And I'm going to pop it in the middle of my canvas. And watch my paint drop. Hear them? You know, they have to back up the road instead of turn around. We have a turnaround on our cul-de-sac. They still have to back up. And they're almost in my front yard, and they're not even my garbage men. So I'm going to start gliding this. Gosh, it's so nice when all that paint goes. It'll be to your right, my left. Just going to release some paint here and grab this and go. I'm going to go back in. My goodness, they're noisy today. Okay, so just let it set for a minute. I have some great cells already. Give it a torch, get the air bubbles out. Plenty of cells. Okay, I need to move it a little bit because I can see where it's a little shallow. I'm kind of digging these colors together. I did post a video on Facebook yesterday that when I filmed it, it filmed it like a cell phone. I don't know why, and I'm hoping this one doesn't do it too. But it's private viewing there, so if you're on my Facebook page, check it out. Okay, let me give it another torch. And we're going to airbrush this around a little bit. Bring out some of that turquoise. Okay. I just wanted to play with that corner a minute because the paint was just a little shallow there. There's not a lot here. So I'm hoping everybody that bought airbrushes is having fun playing with them because I just have a ball with this thing. Shallow there too. So I had to fill it with some paint. That looks pretty good. Flip her around, do the other side. I kind of like that aqua in there. It softened up that dioxazine violet. And it makes the turquoise look more prominent. I'm going to pull some of this color over this bare spot here. probably should do the same here, but I have to turn it around. So what are you thinking, guys? I'm kind of liking this mix of 3 colors on the edges. There, I just had to break that up a little bit. So if you're new to my channel, and I'd like you to click subscribe below and click on the little bell next to the subscribe button. You'll be notified when I upload my next video. And click like and share. Leave a comment. Join me on Facebook at Christina Welch Art. And also my Etsy store is Christina Welch Art. And I'll be having paintings going up during the week this week. We actually got quite a bit done this weekend with editing, so I'm just waiting to get a bunch so I can get them all uploaded at one time. Okay, so let me give you a peek. That was where we moved that into the white. But there's just enough purple there in that turquoise to give it some character. So there's a pretty springy one. Springy, springy. So thanks for joining me, guys, and I have a lot of videos to do today, so I will see you on the next one. Have a great day. Bye now.